This is going to be a fast one today. So we're going to make a 3D character of this Star Wars Mandalorian, Cara Cynthia. So we're going to take her headshot, drop it into Character Creator, choose female, and say generate. All right, so we got the face on here. You can see it's automatically generated her hair, but it's not ideal. So we're going to delete the hair. We're going to pull some new hair in, and we're going to adjust the color to black. All right, now that we got that, we're going to set up a couple poses, just see how things are going. Obviously, her body shape is a little bit different, so we're going to adjust some of this and add a little weight to this character here. All right, doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so I tried some skin on this, but I think I'm going to actually go back and project the face onto her again to make it look more like the actual character. Some of the clothing isn't conforming quite right, so you can go in and adjust the mesh under Edit Mesh. And then you can, once you've pulled these kind of polygons out of the way, you can go through and use your smooth tool and smooth some stuff out. Now the shirt is not ideal. You probably want to make a new shirt for this character inside of Marvelous Designer, but this is a fast approach if you want to create a character for some previs kind of stuff that you just want to get some somebody in there that looks fairly similar and is about the same height, just to set the tone. So I think I'm good with adjusting this mesh. All right, so we got the top done. Add some pants on here, some boots. Now I'm going to reproject the face of this character. You just update skin texture and reproject that face onto this character here. Add a couple poses, see how things are going. Obviously some stuff wrong with the skin poking through on the pants, so I'm just going to take her whole mesh, anything hidden by clothing, and I'm going to hide those faces. That way we don't really have to deal with any kind of body parts poking through the clothing here. Okay, so we have our character, and now we can do a couple poses just to see how things are looking, and do a quick render in iRay just to get a feel of the textures and stuff. So it's pretty quick and pretty easy. I'm going to drop one more lighting scheme in here just to get a different feel for this character, and adjust her head position here. Rotate this around. This is the silhouette, so very high contrast render here. Low lighting, and here is our Cara Cynthia, about as quick as you can get. So this whole video I think is just under 4 minutes. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this interesting, this process of creating previs film industry characters that you can use in your projects to help you with your previs work. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe.